Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video I'm going to show you how to easily build your own rain collection system for rainwater harvesting. Definitely check out the description below if you want a whole list of everything it took to make this project possible. This is just going to be a quick walkthrough of my rain barrel setup. If you have any questions for me, just leave them down in the comment section below. Alright, let's start at the bottom. So it's really important to install your spigot at the very bottom so you can get all the water out as much as possible. But I highly recommend this one here. I bought this one on Amazon. It's actually a quarter turn brass water spigot. If you want to check out this item, I have the link down in the description below. And then around the very bottom I have 6 8-inch by 8-inch center blocks, and I have one 18-inch by 18-inch by 2-inch paver. Making our way to the top of the lid, you can see that there's an opening with a gutter drop outlet. I have this wrapped around in a pool skimmer sock so that when the water comes down it catches all the main large debris, and then I have the 2-inch by 3-inch gutter extension feeding into that opening. The nice thing about having this flexible arm tubing is you can also point this thing and reroute it different places. Like I also have a tubing that goes into my pool to fill it up with water. This is a really nice secondary system that I have because it allows me to fill up my pool with water for free using rainwater. And so basically, as you can see here, it just connects straight from my adapter at the very top over there that can also go into my rain collecting duct. But this is great because during the summer months it gets really hot, and actually I lose probably anywhere from 1 inch to 2 inches of water from my pool during the hot summer months. Back to my rain barrel system. So this is the pool skimmer sock that is connected to the gutter downspout and is held together by this nice little clip at the top. And on the inside is a gutter adapter held together with a gutter screw, and that's what keeps it in place. As you can see there, you can see the spigot, the part that you actually have to tighten down on the inside of the barrel. I mainly use this water collection system to do my gardening, and whatever water I don't use, I put it back into the barrel for future use. My rain collection system cost me roughly about $50. So it was $17 for the blue 32-gallon trash can, about $15 for the water spigot, and about $15 for the cement block parts and gutter parts. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope I showed you how to make a simple, easy rain collecting system. If you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comment section below. But please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.